辉达的执行长吴仁勋最近返来台湾参加台北国际电脑展，辉达的股票嘛是一路咧起，到早收盘价值已经超过3兆美金，标过苹果公司，嘛变做全世界第2大的大公司。
总是穿乌皮衫出现，精品大厂辉达执行长61岁吴仁勋，伫台湾的一举一动，成做美光灯的焦点。因为吴仁勋英文的名叫做杰森，所以有人讲这款的现象是 Gentility。辉达的股价也伫美国站上历史新高，辉达最高收盘股价起5.2%，每股1224.4美金，好创新高。公司期待一日将超过3兆美金大关，超过苹果公司摕到全球市值第2，也是头一间3兆美金俱乐部的半导体公司。
Future laptop, your future PC will become an AI. They'll be constantly helping you, assisting you in the background. The PC will also run applications that are enhanced by AI.
吴仁勋顶日伫台北国际电脑展宣布，会伫台湾设立第2个人工智慧 AI 超级电脑中心，也强调台湾伫 AI 领域的重要性。辉达前一摆市值超过苹果，已经是2002年，迄当时两间公司的市值拢还未到100亿美金，即马已经无共啊。执行长吴仁勋表示，公司计划当年升级 AI 加速器。华尔街认为，辉达超过微软只不过是早晚问题。
Earnings were about, I think, more than 95% through the earnings season, and the earnings picture has been a positive one. We're coming through for Q1, the fastest growth since the first quarter of 2022, year over year. With about 6% growth across the board compared to the same period last year.
伫精品股的鼓励之下，美国标普500甲纳斯达克指数拜三双双创下历史新高，也互经济数据市场开始乐观看待，联准会今年会降息2摆。公司新闻陈文仁编译。